Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions on the Fortune eyeshadow palette from ColourPop Cosmetics and their new lip glosses. They came out with so many shades. I only picked up two just to test them out first. So this is the sister palette of the Fame eyeshadow palette. I don't have that palette with me. I was so close to getting that eyeshadow palette, but I couldn't fully commit myself with getting a cotton eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $22. Same thing with the Fame eyeshadow palette and the Perception eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Shayla by ColourPop collaboration. I reviewed the full collection on my channel, so if you want to watch the video, I will link it down on my description box below. So this is the packaging. I like the circus theme, and this is the unique carton. So these are from their birthday collection, by the way. So I am going to show you the inside. This doesn't have a mirror. I wish it had a mirror. So the Perception one has a mirror, so that's fine. Here are the shadows right here. Now the shades are very common shades, but I don't mind at all. I love most of their eyeshadow palettes. I never had issues with their eyeshadow palettes. So get neutral shades in here, and here's the pink, deep pink purple shade. Got your rustic shades in here, and this is like a dark brown, a little bit of glitter, yeah, shade right here. So I like this one, perfect for everyday makeup in my opinion. So I am going to show you the lip glosses right now. Here is the unique carton, and I'm going to show you the lip glosses. So I have the shade in Pooh. So this is a gold with purple and pink reflex. So this is a very unique shade, and this is the Snow Day, which is a pale pink. They are very shimmery, very glittery. So I heard they changed their applicator, so let me open this up. Oh yeah, it's a brush applicator, kinda similar to the Kylie one. So this is very, oh wow, this is very glittery and very shiny. I'm going to show you the shade Pooh. So here it is. So oh wow, here, so see that guys, they are very glossy and very glittery. Oh my god, this one smells so good. This one smells like a lip scrub. And this is the old one, older lip gloss. So this is the Cutting Lights by ColourPop. As you can see guys, the applicator is different. So it's almost like a sponge applicator. So that's very interesting. Don't you worry, I'll be doing makeup updates on the products that I reviewed here on my channel, and also after my makeup tutorial, I'm going to go outside and show you my makeup in natural lighting. So let me put on my primer first, and I'll be right back. Again, I forgot to press the record button, so I mixed the shades Mo Problems and Wiser with the Beige Cosmetics Pro Studio brush. Next, I'm going to mix these two shades with the Morphe M443 brush, just to deepen up my crease area. To define my crease a little bit more, I'm going to use the shade Trove. It's a dark purple pinky shade with the AOA brush. And finally, I'm going to use the shade Strike It with the Cardi Cosmetics brush. I'm going to use the shade Miser. This is a duochrome shade with the Crown eyeshadow brush. Oh wow, that's really pretty and very glittery. So I really like the color Miser. I mean, I am very impressed with the eyeshadows so far. Oh my god. So I'm just going to finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. I'm wearing the Oracle eyeshadow palette on my inner third act. Shayla by ColourPop loose powder highlighter in the shade Booming, and also I'm wearing the butter bronzer from Precision's Formula. Now I'm going to move on with my lower lash line. I'm going to mix these two shades with the Vintage Cosmetics brush. For the lip glosses, I'm going to use the shade Snow Day. And the last one is the shade Pooh. So this gold shade. My god, this smells so good. Oh my god, I love this one. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Oh wow, it's so glossy, it's so glittery. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wearing the Dose of Colors bullet lipstick in the shade Angelic. It's a little too orange, so I only applied it in the middle part of my lip and then spread it out using my fingers, and then I applied the ultra glossy lips in the shade Pooh. So I'm going to go outside and show you my makeup in natural lighting. I'm outside and it's a little bit cooler today than yesterday. So here is my makeup in natural lighting. Oh my god, look at the eyeshadows, guys. I mean, especially the shade Miser. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The lip gloss, oh my god, it's so pretty. Before I'm going to tell you my first impressions on the products, I'm just going to announce something. I am not going to upload my videos next week because I'll be out of town. I'll be spending time with my family. I hope you understand. Now let's go move on with my first impressions on the products. So the first one is the Fortune eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I never had issues with ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. The only shade that had a lot of fallout was the shade Miser. I'm wearing this one right here, but it didn't really bother me that much. The shades Strobe and Strike It, so these two shades right here, I thought that it would be hard to blend and patchy, but I was wrong. They were very pigmented, they were so easy to blend, and they were not patchy at all. These two shades right here, they were so pigmented, they were so easy to blend. The same thing with these two shades right here. I'm wearing these two shades as my transition shade. So if you're looking for a palette that very easy to blend and without breaking your bank, I highly recommend this one. Most of the palettes are so good from ColourPop Cosmetics, and they are very affordable. I highly recommend this one. I'll be bringing this one with me and the ColourPop Prescription palette next week. So I'll be going, like I said, I'll be out of town, so I'll be bringing these two with me. And the lip glosses, oh my god, I love these lip glosses. They didn't feel sticky at all. Oh my god, I love the smell. Oh my god, I really love the smell. I love the one better than the other one. So for $6 and I think $6.50. Oh god, I need to pick up more shades. So there you go. Let me know if you have tried anything from their birthday collection. This will be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.